Welcome to watch my AEG ELECTROLUX Tumble dryer repairing. Problem was this box, it gave some water to floor, so probably pump is broken or it's dirty, and water didn't came up to this box either. So I decided to take all screws away, about 22 screws backside, and I took the whole back panel away and I hoovered it. This is not obligatory. I opened the top cover, there is some metallic clips. I pulled the part back and I took top cover away. Then I changed to right side. There is 4 screws on the back side and some hiding screws on the top. I used magnetism so as to take this difficult screw away. And on the left side there is that kind of little clips as well. So left side was open, but surprise, surprise, there was no pump. Those internet machines were different, that's why I made this video. And I opened the right side and I find pump there. Where it is? So I cleaned it a little bit up and I noticed there's familiar parts there behind the white parts, and black motor is behind and pump is there. I decided to make some pictures of cables so as to remember it better. I took 2 orange cables away from the motor and 2 blue cables, upper and down cables. 3 screws keeps the white part on a place. I took only 2 orange and 2 blue cables away. So I took white part out, most cables are still on there, and I took motor also apart. And then began to cleaning, really dirty, 6 years old machine only. So alga and part of our clothes. I used compressor with cleaning hands and some tools. I measured also the motor. There is good guidance in internet about that. Then I put some water inside the machine so as to flush it better. Cleaned it up with paper and compressor and checked it with mirror that everything is clean. And after that I began to put parts back. So pieces back. So motor, there's little clips here. They seem to go pretty easy. This is a little bit tight to put, but it goes easier than taking away. So well, so many cables. Oh, now the motor, it wasn't that easy. So I thought it easy, but it wasn't. Now does it works? Yeah, it is there. Oh. I have to check. Yeah, this is a little bit tight place because this is here, yeah. Oh. Okay, now it's there. Good, and then I have to I took only these two from the motor, otherwise I kept all cables there on places, and I have to put this and this under this. So after that, and of course these tubes, so hopefully it works after this process. And here is some tools I used with the process, and then I began to put clips, backs and cover screws, wondering how many screws I had, so 14, 15, and putting them to right places. It took a while, first time, and we were glad with wife, does it really works? And it worked. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you get some ideas for your repairing processes.